What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. It's been a few weeks since we did the hood louver install. I felt like that was a pretty big project to tackle, and I've been busy the last couple weekends, so unfortunately that means no videos. But thank you all for sticking with me. We have hit 750 something subscribers now, so that's huge. If you're watching this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Let's get to 1,000. That's a big goal of mine, and I think that'd be really awesome. But today we've got another install video. This is a really popular modification, and I don't know why I haven't done it yet. But we got a box, and I'm sure from the title you can already tell. But we got a box from Moroso, so that means we need to open it. I'm sure you've already guessed what is inside. This is just the unboxing. It's with paper, which you don't need. And here it is. So this is the Coolant Expansion Tank by Moroso. And it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be, but it's a really, really quality piece. It's nicely welded and everything, so that's really awesome. So it's gonna be kind of hard to tell. Yeah, you won't be able to see it all, but it's got a baffled interior, which is one of the features. This is a direct replacement of that plastic tank. So what tends to happen is with the plastic tanks, I guess the neck where the cap connects can fail. It can crack. And since the NC's coolant system is pressurized, that could lead to engine failure or overheating. So a lot of people have to check. If you have an NC, go outside and look right now. If it's kind of brown and yellowing, you should probably think about replacing it. I'll show you mine, for example. I don't think mine's that bad, but better safe than sorry. I'm coming up on 100,000 miles. So this is like preventative maintenance for a long time, because this should last quite a while compared to the plastic one. We're gonna go outside and install this on the car, kind of do a not step-by-step install, but I'll walk you through what I'm doing, and you can do this yourself. So let's get started. All right, so a couple other things that we're gonna use today. Pretty simple. I got 2 gallons of distilled water. I got this, I don't know what he calls it, a battery filler. Anyways, this is gonna be used to get the coolant out of the tank that's already in there, and a couple things at O'Reilly's as well. One being this funnel, because I don't want to spill distilled water everywhere. And finally, these fuel injection hose clamps. Now, there's multiple different kinds of hose clamps that you can get. Some are like, I think they're called the worm style. The other ones are the stock little hose clamps that just you use a screwdriver. And then there's these. These were recommended to me by another Miata owner, Eric. He has a really sweet supercharged NC with a 2.5 conversion. His Instagram is right here. Definitely go follow him. I appreciate the advice he gave me on getting these. He said these worked really well for him. So shout out to you, Eric. Thanks for watching and for the advice. So yeah, go follow him on his Instagram and follow a really sweet car. So here's what my tank looks like right now. It's a little more yellow than it looks on camera. It's because of the white balance, making it more white. But it's a little bit more yellow, but not too bad. It is just plastic. The way we're gonna do this is there's these 2 bolts here, bolt here. We're gonna remove these hoses, cap. This is the overflow tube. And then there's a tube underneath it we're gonna detach as well. This should be a really easy install. I've heard that it should only take like 30 minutes. But I mean, I don't really know. I don't want to keep this video running for too long, so let's cut to removing the old tank. see it's a little more yellow looking now. So what tends to happen is these necks will crack. And I mean, it's just plastic. So plastic will fail over time. So here's the new one compared to the old one. Much better looking in my opinion. I'm sure others will agree. This is a lot more shiny in your engine bay. This does have a sight glass. You can see if there is coolant in there, because this one is just, you know, it's got the full level and it's somewhat clear, but once it starts to yellow, you can't really see. So this one's got the sight glass, so we are going to fill it up to there. And yeah, so install is just the reverse. So what we're gonna do is grab our clamps, and I'm gonna swap out these clamps with these ones, because those will be a lot better. All right, so that's it. That is basically the install. So I'm gonna try and show you, but there's the sight glass down there. And I don't know if you guys can see or not, but there's like a little bit of water in there. And you can tell it's there. So it's at the right level. Our cap is on. And yeah, so I guess I'm gonna let it run and catch up with you afterwards. All right, everything checks out. That is the Moroso Coolant Expansion Tank done. I think it looks really nice in the engine bay. Next might be the power steering, which is generally fairly ugly. So that is it. Car is done with that. That's another mod in the book. The hood vents are still holding up great. I haven't seen any issues with rain or anything like that. So let's hope that stays the way it should. Not really much else to talk about. The list of things to do is still over there. So not a ton on there, but you know, we always add new things. You never know what could be added. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. You help the channel grow. It means a lot. And I try to make videos like this all the time. Thanks for watching. And leave a comment on what I should do next, because I'm kind of hitting a wall as far as like mods go. There's a lot of stuff that I know I've talked about, but I haven't like gone out and done it yet. So something I need to do is like brakes, rotors, trans and diff fluid, things like that. If you guys want to see those kinds of videos, leave a comment, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one.